Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to Enjoy Learning Computer Science. In today's session, we are going to discuss about how to write data into a text file using write and write lines function. Let's directly go into the topic. To write data onto a text file, we will be using two functions, write function and writelines function. So before using write and writelines function, first job you have to open the text file in write mode. So before performing any operations, first open the text file, then we can use write or writelines function to write data into a text file. When we open a text file in write mode, that is W mode, we will specify the name of the text file. If that text file does not exist already in your system, what happens? Python will create a new file and write the content in the file. If the file already exists, the previous content will be truncated or deleted and the new content will be overwritten in the text file. The write function will take a string, will accept a string and then it will write that string into the text file. The syntax is name of the file object dot write within parenthesis the str, the string. Okay. Now when you give this, Python will not include end of line character automatically. Suppose if you want to write something line by line, you have to include \n. So for storing data with end of line character, which is the end of line character? \n. You have to add \n at the end of the string. And if you want to store a number, a numeric value, this write function will not accept numeric value. Write function will accept only string. So this numeric value should be converted into a string using str function, or you have to give within double quotes. So write method will accept a string and write it in the text file. Writelines method is used to write a sequence of data types in a file. It can be a list also. Write will write only a string, but writelines will accept a list and write that data into your text file. Append. What do you mean by append? Add. Append will add a data into the already existing text file at the end of the previous existing data. So if you open a text file in append mode, that is A mode, if the file already exists, new content will be added at the end of the text file. If the file does not exist, Python will not raise an error. Instead, Python will create that file and the new content will be written in the text file. Now, we'll write some data into a text file using write mode. When we use write mode, write method will accept only data in string format. Open Python IDLE, in that open a new file. And then the first thing you have to do is you have to open the text file in which mode? W mode. So F is equal to open within parenthesis, within double quotes, mention the name of the text file, demo.txt, any text file you can give, and the mode is W, write mode. Now we are going to write some name of fruits in the text file. So we'll use write function, f.write, open the parenthesis, within double quotes, mention the text, I am giving mango. I am going to give 4 fruits names. Okay, so f.write grapes. Again, f.write within parenthesis, within double quotes, you give the name of the fruit, banana, because write function will accept only string data type. Again, f.write within parenthesis and within double quotes, mulberry. Now we have used write 4 write functions. Okay. After that, let's close the text file, f.close. After this, save the program using Ctrl S, give any name. This is not your text file, this is your Python program, and then execute using F5. After executing only, let's open the text file and see. So click File, click Open, and then specify the name of the text file, which is demo.txt. It is not a Python file, it is text file. And then click Open. You can see all the names of the fruits are displayed, but there is no space in between, continuously. So the write function will write the name of the fruits continuously. Suppose if you want to write the name of the fruits one after the other, that is mango, then the next line grapes, then next line banana, next line mulberry, then you have to add end of line character. This end of line character is \n. So this \n you can write using write function itself. F dot write within parenthesis, within double quotes, \n after the first fruit name. Another way is you can directly give inside the string also. Grapes \n, banana \n, mulberry \n. Now every fruit will come in one line. Let's save this program again. Again you have to execute. Okay, then only changes will happen. So Ctrl S, press F5, executed. Now let's open the text file. Open demo.txt. It is a text file, and click Open. You can see mango in one line, in next grapes, next banana, next mulberry. So you have to add \n when you use write function. Automatically end of line character will not be included using write function. You have to add the \n. Suppose I want to give a space in between the fruits. Let's give \t, a tab space. So instead of \n, let's try to give \t. Again save the program, Ctrl S, again execute F5. After executing, you close the previous text file and then let's open. If you are not closing, that file only will get open. So now open the text file demo.txt, and it is what file? Text file, and click Open. You can see the name of the fruits with tab space in between. Now let's write the same program using loop, for loop, because last time we included only 4 colors, 4 fruits. If I want to include more number of fruits, it is very difficult to write the write statement again and again and again. So instead we will use loop. When we know the number of times exactly, we can use for loop. Open Python ideally, open a new window. Let's open a text file first. Before performing any operation, the file should be open. So mf, what is mf? The name of the file object is equal to open color.txt. I'm giving a different text file name, comma, in which mode it has to be open? It has to be open in W mode because we are going to write. Now I'm going to use for loop. For any variable name, you can give any variable. I'm giving I in range of 5. That means I'm going to enter only 5 colors. So I'm giving 5. If you want to enter 10 colors, you can give 10. C is equal to, I'm getting the input from the user in a string format. So input of, within parenthesis, enter any color. If I'm entering blue, that will be stored in the variable C. So this color has to be written in the file. So mf dot write. What are we going to write in the text file? The color. It is stored in the variable C. So mf dot write C. So this procedure will be executed 5 times. So outside the loop, we'll close the text file. mf dot close. Now save this file. Ctrl S, execute. It will ask the color. Start entering color. How many times it will ask? It will ask 5 times. So 5 times it will ask enter any color, enter any color. You can enter any color as you wish. So blue, yellow, orange, pink and red. Now this is input is over. Now let's open and see the text file. File, open. What is the name of the text file? Color.txt. What is the file format? Text file. Then click open. You can see all the colors are there, but there is no new line character or no blank space in between. So I want to add the new line character after each color. So after writing each color, we will add \n also. For that, let's write name. What is the name of the file object? mf.write within parenthesis and within double quotes specify \n. So after each color, \n also, new line also will be included. Again save, again execute, and it will ask 5 colors. Enter any color 5 times. You enter any 5 colors. Now you can see in the previous I have given different colors: blue, yellow, orange, pink, red. Now I am trying to give different combination of colors: red, violet, black, brown, purple. So when we open the text file, we have opened in write mode, right? So what happens? The previous content, that is blue, yellow, orange, will be deleted and the new colors only will be added in write mode. When we open and write, the previous content will be deleted, the new content will be overwritten. Let's open and see the text file. What is the name of the text file? color.txt. It is text file, and click open. You can see the changes in the text file. color.txt, and then click open. You can see the text file: red, violet, black, brown, purple, everything in new line only, because we have included \n. The previous content is deleted and the new content is added. To write data into a text file using write function in append mode, that is A mode, open a Python file. So first let's open a text file. F is equal to open. I'm giving the name of the text file is animal.txt, and comma, in which mode? A mode, append mode. I'm going to add the new content. So I'm not giving W mode, append mode, A mode. And then I'm going to use for loop. For I in any range of 5 or 10, I'm giving 4. So I'm going to enter 4 animal names. So let's receive it from the user itself. So give input statement. A is equal to input, within parenthesis, within double quotes, enter any animal name. So if I'm entering tiger, that will be stored in which variable? The variable A. So after receiving the input, you have to write it in the file. So f.write. Okay, f.write. What are you going to write? The animal name which is stored in the variable A. So f.write of A. I want to write the next animal in the next line. So I'm going to include the new line character. So f.write within parenthesis, within double quotes, \n. Okay, then you have, this will be repeated 4 times. Let's close the file. f.close. Okay, now save this program, Ctrl S, and execute. Okay, it is asking the animal name. So enter any animal name. So this, it will ask 4 times because we have given the ranges 4. So enter any animal name: lion, tiger, a monkey. Again it is asking enter animal name. I am giving elephant. So give this element, see, it is executed. Now let's open and see the text file animal.txt. File open. Give the name of the file as animal.txt. File format is text file. Click open. You can see the animals: lion, tiger, monkey, elephant. It is written in different lines. Now I want to add some more elements. Okay, we have opened it append mode, A mode. So I'm going to add some more elements. So I'm going to change the mode, range is 5. So I want to add 5 more animals, right? So I'm executing again. It is asking enter any animal name. So it will ask 5 times because I have changed the ranges 5. Now I am entering 5 different animal names. The file which we have opened is append mode. So the previous content will not be deleted. Along with the previous content, the new animal name will be added. So I have given giraffe, zebra, fox, leopard, and crocodile. And let's open and see the text file. File, click open. What is the name of the text file? Animal.txt. You can give enter animal.txt and click open. You can see only the previous content is there. Why? Because previously when I opened, I didn't close the text file. You have to close the text file, then after executing only you have to open the same text file, otherwise changes will not made it. Okay, so animal.txt text file, click open. So now you can see along with the previous content lion, tiger, monkey, elephant, the new animal name is added. This is append mode. Previous content will not be deleted. After the end of the previous content, the new content will be added. Hope you are clear about the concepts of using write functions with write mode as well as append mode. In the next video, we will learn about writelines function and the difference between write and writelines function. For further updates, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Enjoy learning computer science. Till that, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.